Hello and welcome back to Pure Health User. Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient, ginger, holds over 50 incredible health benefits, from improving digestion and boosting heart health to fighting inflammation, easing joint pain, and even helping prevent cancer? Ginger is more than just a spice. It's a powerful natural healer used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. In today's video, we're revealing 50 science-backed benefits of ginger that can truly transform your health, especially if you're over 40 or just looking to live healthier naturally. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Section 1, Digestive Health 045 to 30. Let's start with the most well-known area, your digestive health. 1. Ginger helps boost your appetite. 2. It improves digestion by increasing enzyme activity. 3. It helps relieve bloating and gas. 4. It's a powerful remedy for nausea. 5. Great for morning sickness during pregnancy. 6. Relieves motion sickness during travel. 7. Soothes acid reflux and heartburn. 8. Helps in smoother bowel movements. 9. Reduces stomach cramps. 10. Detoxifies the gut naturally. A small cup of ginger tea after meals can do wonders for your digestion. Section 2, Heart and Blood 30 to 50. Now, let's move to your heart and circulation. Ginger helps. 11. Lower all cholesterol. 12. Maintain healthy blood pressure. 13. Improve blood circulation. 14. Prevent blood clots. 15. Reduce the risk of heart attacks. 16. Support overall cardiovascular health. 17. Strengthen arteries and veins. 18. Reduce inflammation in blood vessels. 19. Control triglycerides. 20. Support a strong, healthy heartbeat. For people over 50, ginger is a simple addition with big cardiovascular impact. Section 3, Joints and pain relief 50 to 630. Suffer from joint stiffness, arthritis, or muscle soreness? Ginger can help with. 21. Reducing joint inflammation. 22. Easing osteoarthritis pain. 23. Helping with rheumatoid arthritis. 24. Relaxing stiff muscles. 25. Providing relief from back pain. 26. Easing menstrual pain in women. 27. Reducing swelling in injured areas. 28. Speeding recovery post-exercise. 29. Supporting cartilage health. 30. Natural alternative to painkillers. Section 4, Immune System and Infections 630 to 80. Your immune system is your body's frontline defense. Ginger helps by 31. Strengthening immunity. 32. Fighting cold and flu symptoms. 33. Acting as a natural antiviral. 34. Warming the body and relieving chills. 35. Soothing sore throats. 36. Acting as an antibacterial. 37. Helping clear respiratory congestion. 38. Reducing fever naturally. 39. Boosting recovery from infections. 40. Preventing seasonal illnesses. No need for chemicals, just a cup of warm ginger tea with honey can go a long way. Section 5, Prevention and Longevity 80 to 10. Let's talk longevity and serious disease prevention. 41. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants. 42. Helps fight free radicals that cause aging. 43. Has anti-cancer properties, especially in colon, ovarian, and prostate cancers. 44. May reduce tumor growth. 45. Supports liver detox. 46. Helps regulate blood sugar in diabetics. 47. Aids in weight loss and fat burning. 48. Reduces oxidative stress. 49. Boosts brain function and memory. 50. May help prevent Alzheimer's disease.